It may not look old, but rather the Jaguar F-type is entering its 5th model year, which regularly implies it's past time to go under the blade for a little nip/tuck. Obviously, however, Jaguar plan boss Ian Callum couldn't discover much he needed to change on his Rembrandt, so the good-looking two-seater rises with only a restyled front sash essentially. The two slot-like external air admissions have been supplanted and new LED headlights with an accessible versatile capacity. In spite of the fact that the outline might be minimal transformed, we're not grumbling. Jaguar gave the F-type more substantive updates with new tech and in addition new model variations, including Heave, a turbocharged 4-chamber motor. Panther changed its Ingenium Turbo 2.0-liter inline-4 to make 296 pull at 5,500 RPM and 295 lb-ft of torque at 1,500 RPM. That is 56 speeds and 44 lb-ft more than what this 4-chamber turns out in the XE and XF vehicles, with crest torque arriving 250 RPM sooner. That is likewise extremely close to the base supercharged 3.0-liter V6, which makes 340 torque and 332 lb-ft. Matched only with the quick-shift 8-speed programmed transmission, the 4-chamber F-type dashes to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds, Jaguar guarantees, a tenth speedier than the manual 6-barrel auto. A solitary trapezoidal fumes will play an off-center variant of the V6 motor's rambunctious tune. Indeed, even with an inline-4's characteristic coarseness and vibration, Jaguar hasn't swindled by integrating sounds in the lodge. Another R-Dynamic model puts a turn on what was the F-Type S Roadster and convertible, tweaking the outside outline with clean dark outside trim and model particular 19 and 20-inch wheels. It includes the supercharged 3.0-liter V6 out of 380 HP quality, which really makes it less powerful than the current F-Type R, with its 550 HP V8 and a similar decision of back or all-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual or 8-speed programmed transmission. Additionally, up the evolved way of life yet fueled by the supercharged V6 is another, constrained version F-Type 400 Sport. Accessible in roadster and convertible body styles, its motor is pervaded with 400 strength, therefore the name 400 Sport. It mates solely to Jaguar's quick-shift program, again with back or all-wheel drive. Other mechanical changes incorporate bigger back brake rotors, dark painted calipers, and model particular 20-inch wheels completed in dim. Puma's configurable dynamics drive mode framework is incorporated. It modifies throttle and transmission reaction and in addition the guiding and the dampers. Inside, there are execution seats, one of 2 new seat styles, both highlighting lighter weight magnesium outlines, with 12-way control modification, dark brushed aluminum trim, and yellow difference sewing. The 400 Sport is a 1-year just model and is being offered in silver, dark, and white. It additionally incorporates the substance of the Sport design bundle with a bigger front splitter and side ledges alongside a dim dark back diffuser. No model modification can be finished without some new innovation, and the 2018 F-Type is no special case, regardless of whether its greatest tech news is named Rerun. Rerun fundamentally empowers one to coordinate information maneuvered from the auto into GoPro recordings, despite the fact that the GoPro equipment is excluded. GoPro film now can be overlaid with an instrument bunch realistic that shows information, for example, speed, choose adapt, throttle position, directing wheel point, sidelong and longitudinal increasing speed, and braking power. In other tech news, there's another standard infotainment framework, Touch Pro. It includes a 8.0-inch haptic touch screen, an adjustable home screen, squeeze and dish outline usefulness, and a 4G LTE information association. New highlights of the route framework incorporate the capacity to send an ETA to picked contacts, the capacity to figure whether the auto has enough fuel to get to a set goal, and program transferring of courses from an associated cell phone. The 2018 F-Type models 4-chamber, V6, R-Dynamic, 400 Sport, R, and SVR are because of achieve US dealerships in the spring. Base costs begin at $60,895 for the 4-chamber car and reach $125,995 for the SVR convertible.